monster. Come here. I had it on film, I think.
Oh my god.
Dude, that one made it all the way back to our stuff.
Look at my coach.
I have to watch that. I think it was on film.
Poor baby, I saved him, didn't I?
Yeah, you got him. You didn't even know what happened, did you? You're no worse for the wear. The tsunami just hit.
Thanks for the warning.
I didn't know. I said today.
I didn't think it was that big. I would have never guessed I was going to go all the way up to here.